Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how I do nails step by step. Since I have already filed the old set, I'm going to gently file the cuticle area to have a clean surface. For this you need to have an electric nail drill. Now with a cuticle trimmer, I'm going to remove just a little bit of the excess skin on the cuticles. With a cotton pad and nail cleanser, clean the whole nail surface. Now I am using a primer, which helps builder gel adhere better to the nail. For this next step, I am applying base coat as a foundation layer before the builder gel. Cure the base coat on a UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. With a gel brush, I'm going to apply the builder gel, which is the main product used to build and structure the nail. With a thinner brush, I fill the edges of the nail with builder gel and make corrections if needed. After this step, I am going to cure the builder gel on a UV LED lamp for 90 seconds. Now using a nail file, I am going to file the nail until they get an even surface. Now I am applying top coat, which seals and adds shine to the final look. Without curing the top coat, as my friend requested, I am going to add this little heart-shaped design to the nail and then cure it on the lamp for 90 seconds. This will make the heart stick to the nail. For a better final look and extra security to the design, I am going to apply another layer of top coat and cure it for 90 seconds. For the last step, I am applying cuticle oil to the cuticles. Cuticle oil nourishes the skin around the nail and completes the treatment. This is the end result. Thank you for watching.